Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into the integrating question. Can one company have CEO for multiple countries? We will explore the legal aspects, related laws in Pakistan, famous cases and more. Stay tuned. Legal analysis. Corporate governance laws. Different countries has varying corporate governance laws that may impact the appointment of single CEO for multiple countries. For instance, companies must navigate local regulations including those in Pakistan. Local regulations. Each country, including Pakistan, has its own set of regulations regarding appointment and the responsibilities of a CEO. Companies must comply with the local laws to operate legally. Cross-border management. Managing a company across borders involves navigating different legal systems, tax laws, and employment regulations. Related law in Pakistan Companies Act 2017. This act provides the legal framework for incorporation regulations and dissolution of companies in Pakistan. Corporate Governance Code. Security Exchange Commission has issued a corporate governance code for listed companies which include principles for transparency, accountability and fairness. Fit and proper test. This test is used to assess the suitability of individuals for key positions in company including CEO. Principles of corporate governance for non-listed companies. Security and Exchange Commission has also issued principles for non-listed companies to promote good governance practices. Famous cases. Richard Branson and Virgin Group. Richard Branson oversees multiple businesses under Virgin Group umbrella, demonstrating how an individual can manage multiple companies across different countries. Alibaba Group. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, has played a significant role in managing company's global operations. In conclusion, while it is possible for a company to have one CEO for multiple companies, it requires careful navigation of legal and regulatory frameworks. Company must ensure compliance with the local laws, including those in Pakistan, and merge cross-border operation effectively.